Hold on. I totally forgot to record an intro. This is the Billie Eilish inspired hair. How y'all feel? I love it. So if y'all want to see how I got this hair, then just keep on watching. Duh. Period. So I took this 20 volume developer in the Jade and I made a concoction later. These are the two black dyes that I use on the back of the hair. So this is just me sectioning off the back section because I'm not going to do the blue roots on the back. This is my blue concoction. I was going for a light blue, but it didn't really come out that light. It still was like very, very opaque, but I liked it anyways. So now I'm just taking my time going around the hairline. This is an old wig that I basically did surgery on. So yeah, I really pulled shit together with this wig. So I'm just taking my time listening to YouTube and coloring the roots, trying to be as neat as possible. And yeah, this part is pretty much repetitive. I'm just going over different sections and dyeing them blue. So this is me on the left dyeing the black portion on the back, and then that little clip is how it looked after all the dye was on the wig. Now I'm rinsing it out with cold water. I let it sit overnight, so there was really no dye coming out of the wig by the time I rinsed it out. Like, it was all into the hair, which I loved. And then I took some silicone mix and just quickly rubbed it across the hair, gave it a little zhuzh, and then rinsed it out. I didn't boil it like I normally would. And y'all, do not judge my moo-moo and my waist trainer. I was big chilling in the house. So don't judge. But this is the final result after it was rinsed out. And then now on to the wig install. I'm not really going to talk through the wig install. I'm only going to talk through what's important about this wig install. Everything else is pretty much the same outside of the little surgery I performed. So I'm just going to play some music, enjoy, and sit back and watch me install this Billie Eilish wig. Well, inspired wig. So basically, this is the only portion I wanted to speak in on because this lace was toe down in the front. So basically, I just pulled the wig further than I normally would and gave it a little pluck and tinted it with my foundation and then cut off all of that bad lace, basically, which was stained with glue. The glue wasn't trying to come off. As you can see, a little bit of the hair is still blonde, but it's not a big deal. Really brought it together. It turned out great.
Staring at your dress cause it's see-through. Yeah, talking all the shit that you done been through. Yeah, say that you a lesbian, girl, me too. Hey, girls want girls where I'm from. Hey, yeah, girls want girls where girls want girls where I'm from. Yeah, girls want girls where girls want girls where I'm from. Hey, can I play a player, baby? I grew up with Drea face. I done seen the realest ones come and leave a crazy way. Had to take my spot, it wasn't something they just gave away. Sorry to all my fans, they might have called me on a crazy day. Fuck you niggas thinking, tryna block me on a fadeaway. I been on this shit, I only vibe with a payday. Say you go that way, I guess we both go the same way. Girls want girls where I'm from. Yeah, where we both from. Hey, you just got to Miami, need hotel rooms. Niggas told you that they love you, but they fell through. So you shot 42 cause you, hey, and you throwing on that dress cause it's see-through. Yeah, talking all the shit that you done been through. Yeah, texting me and say I need to see you. I don't know. I might come, I might go, I don't know. I might come, I might go, I don't know. Staring at your dress cause it's see-through. Yeah, talking all the shit that you done been through. Yeah, say that you a lesbian, girl, me too. Hey, girls want girls where I'm from. Yeah, well, girls want girls where girls want girls where I'm from. Yeah, girls want girls. Hey, yeah, girls want girls where I'm from.
My girl got a girlfriend. Ain't tryna be out of shape. What's ill on them curls? Then them gym don't work, get surgery. I'll pay for that, my courtesy. Can imagine no bitch curving me. I put in that work overly. I handle business. And I got two pretty bitches. Keep them both on fleek. They got matching beans and matching AP. Now they can really call each other twins. I'm cool with all the owners. They love me. So they gon' let us in and bring all of your peers to look better with more people. We got 1942 Casamigos. It's being hit. They gotta follow us in the Uber. My car filled up with shooters. It be lights, camera, action. When you with us, it's a movie. I don't shot my coupe to house parties. I'm tryna leave with two don't nobody know the shit that we do. She like eating pussy, I'm like me too. I can't wait to get out work, so go and see you. Please bring your girlfriend
So y'all, I'm gonna go put on my lip gloss. So this is the final hair look. I'm gonna put on my clothes and then I'm gonna insert some pictures of the hair in my outfit. So this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure y'all like, share, subscribe, all that good. If y'all enjoyed this video, make sure y'all let me know in the comment section below. I think I'm liking this hair on me. This is Billie Eilish inspired look that's been trending all over the gram. So yeah, if you all try this, then let me know how it goes, and I'll definitely see you all in the next video. Bye.